Hey guys, we're back on the trail. We're at Vanalden Cave Trail today, and it's in Topanga State Park.
And it's supposed to be a 2.7 mile out and back trail, heavily trafficked, and we're here early and it's still, there's a lot of people. You should expect a 515 foot elevation gain, and it's not going to be all continuous. It's going to be like kind of up and down, so just expect that on the way back out.
All right, so make sure you wear your masks. We even heard somebody cough right now, so we're gonna put our mask on real quick. So let's enjoy.
All right, later.
All right, let's go. And make sure you wear some bug spray because the bugs are pretty heavy already. Here is a split. Make sure you stay straight ahead because I really don't know where that one leads to, but let's just keep going straight. And make sure you stretch right before you get in here. Don't try to be a savage because it starts up pretty quick. It's already going uphill. And also try to stay to your right because we've already seen a lot of bikes coming down. According to the sign, it says the dogs are allowed, so that's a good thing. We already saw a couple dogs on leashes around here. And the parking situation here is interesting too. You drive in, the first big section is all free, and you probably saw the line opening this video where it shows you if you park after that line you have to pay $5. We're gonna be here at the split right after you see the signs. You want to go to the right. We still came out pretty early though. This video we were trying to avoid the heat because it's been pretty hot in the valley lately, so we're trying to be out of here at least by 10 o'clock because after that it turns to like almost 90 degrees. Hey guys, we're gonna reach a split. We're gonna take a right to continue on the trail.
I thought that was snake marks, but they're actually shoe marks.
That's funny. She was scared of the snake. Seems like the snake was chasing us all over the place.
I was like, oh, these snakes aren't afraid of anything.
See guys, it's wide. We like this. Because sometimes you have real narrow ones that you can fall over the cliff, and there she goes. We're going downhill. Usually this one goes up and down. So you'll get your workout in, even if you go pretty slow. And the heat, you get your sweat on real quick. In this one, you'll see the views of like the valley. I could say look at this awesome fog, but it's not fog, it's smog. Southern California for you. Ooh, let's go over here to the viewpoint.
Morning.
Happy Sunday to you.
You too. Hi, man, you want to do a hula dance first? Do a hula dance. That's not a hula dance.
Oh, Hawaii has come. Hawaii has come.
The sand, the dirt here has gotten soft. It feels like beach sand, so we just had to take a little break right now to put more bug spray because there's a ton of bugs out here. Well, mosquitoes specifically. Hi, man, I'm hungry.
Of course she's hungry.
I'm always hungry.
She is. But what can you do? On a trail, you can only think about food, right? So what's your favorite food?
Mine? Oh, I love sushi, and I love Chinese food. I love Asian food, actually. And what about yours?
Chinese food. I mean, I like a lot of stuff, but Chinese. If I had to pick, it'd be Chinese food.
Honestly, I thought you'd say pupusas.
Well, I mean, don't get me wrong. I love pupusas, but talking about favorite like food, what's your favorite hike spot
That we've done?
that we've done?
recorded?
Yeah.
So my favorite trail that we've recorded so far, I'm gonna have to say, is the Valencia Peak. I think it was really nice up there. Like, just, it was really peaceful. There wasn't a lot of people when we were up there. So I like that one. If I had a runner-up, I think it would be Monkey Rock. I think the only reason that one's not my top trail is just because when we went, there was all this smoke, so we couldn't even really see like the whole lake.
Yeah.
So that's me.
I agree with you on those two for sure. They're the best ones. Valencia Peak is like, I think it's the best one though, because it's awesome views and you don't get crazy tired. I think that's probably the reason. It's pretty fresh out there.
Yeah.
And then Monkey Rock for sure is a second, because like, I mean, the views are awesome too, and like the Monkey Rock is pretty interesting. But the only sad part about that, yeah, it is the smoke. But I think if it wasn't for that smoke, it would have won first place. But what can you do? Maybe we'll do it again someday.
We're gonna come to a split here. We're gonna branch off from the main trail. So you're gonna see this old closed off area, and we're gonna go to the right. It's gonna be this little baby trail with a wooden log post. So you're just gonna come to a splitting point here. You're gonna want to go straight, but you're actually going to make a right on this baby trail here.
So I think the hard part on here is coming back up, because most of it's all downhill right now. Once you get to this point here, and like usual, you want to go straight, not this one. You're gonna go to the right. It's not even marked, so you can get lost easily. So make sure, if you don't know the way, to have your map ready. Over the steep we go. Okay guys, right after this tree right here, there's another split. One to the right. But on this one, we're gonna go straight into the little creek without water. Let's go try out this little path over here, because I think it leads to the top of the caves. So let's check it out real quick.
Hi guys, so we've just finished the trail and we've made it to the caves with a few wrong turns, so definitely recommend having all trails at the ready for you. But it's pretty neat. There's actually these like holes up top that you can see. I'm sure it's nice during like sunset time. What do you think?
Yeah, it's really nice. There's like all the little cool holes back there. Even when you go up the little trail next to the cave that takes you to the top of it, you can see in it. So it's pretty cool. I mean, the only thing is just like a lot of graffiti on them, but it's still pretty cool to see though.
Yeah, and just if you do come out, just watch out for broken glass. I think this is like a popular hangout spot for some young kids.
Yeah, and a lot of bugs. A lot of bugs. But, well, as we always say though, we recommend it. Please subscribe, hit a like, and comment on the video. We'll see you guys later.
Laters.